Welcome to the AI Carrigan's 24/7 AI Governance Learning Pathway. We are a California nonprofit dedicated to building a practical to help nonprofits, legal aid organizations, and local clinics move from confusion to governed action. In this module, we are tackling ongoing AI governance monitoring. Because a governance program is never a single finished project, it requires continuous active maintenance to remain effective. Today, we will guide you through the process of building a KPI dashboard. This tool will actively track your organization's AI health metrics over time. Before we begin the setup, you need the foundational file. Please click the link in the video description to download the KPI scorecard. This document is a mandatory prerequisite for today's tutorial. Relying on a static compliance checklist leaves an organization blind to daily operational shifts. By transitioning to an active, real-time tracking system, you can intercept minor oversights long before they compound into major organizational failures. Open your blank KPI scorecard. You will see a clean spreadsheet-style grid with 5 distinct tracking sections. Here, you input raw daily data. As you populate these sections, that data streams directly into a centralized, summarized dashboard view for quick analysis. Step 1 is establishing your baseline. Begin by logging all of the AI tools your organization has currently approved for use. For every tool you log, assign a starting baseline risk level, such as green, yellow, or red, based on its current function and data access. These risk levels are not permanent. External changes, like a vendor suddenly updating their data privacy policy, can severely alter a tool's safety profile overnight. When an external change occurs, you manually update the tool's status on the scorecard. For instance, shifting a drop-down from green to red immediately triggers a prominent warning indicator on your main dashboard view. Logging tools continuously and updating their status ensures that silent, behind-the-scenes software updates do not expose your organization to sudden, unmonitored liabilities. With the tools cataloged, we shift our focus to human usage. Navigate to the Incident Tracking section of your scorecard. Here, you will log internal AI missteps. An incident might be an AI hallucination discovered in a drafted legal document, or an employee accidentally pasting sensitive client data into an unapproved prompt. Documenting these minor internal errors early allows you to identify concerning behavioral trends in your staff. This gives you time to correct course before those behaviors escalate into serious safety breaches. Next, direct your attention to the Regulatory Update section of the scorecard. AI legislation is rapidly evolving. In this section, you will log upcoming compliance deadlines to ensure internal policies stay perfectly aligned with current law. By tracking internal user errors on one side and regulatory deadlines on the other, you establish a complete 360-degree early warning system for your clinic. The final setup step is defining your retraining triggers. These are exact numerical thresholds that dictate when intervention is necessary. For example, set a trigger for your legal drafting team. If they log 3 minor AI errors within a single quarter, the threshold is met. Hitting this specific numerical threshold forces the system to react. The dashboard instantly prompts a flashing warning indicating that retraining is required. Setting these hard mathematical limits removes managerial guesswork and emotional bias. You no longer have to debate when a staff member needs a refresher course. The data decides for you. Passive data collection does not protect an organization. The true purpose of this dashboard is to automatically trigger decisive human action the moment safety boundaries are crossed. Take a look at this mockup of a fully populated, finalized dashboard. It displays a comprehensive, color-coded mix of active metrics, risk levels, and system health indicators based entirely on your scorecard data. This complete visual interface now serves as a real-time pulse of your organization's AI health, alerting you immediately so you can act before a minor issue becomes a compliance failure. To implement this system in your own clinic, be sure you have downloaded the KPI scorecard from the link in the video description. Thanks for joining us for this module. Please proceed to the next video in the playlist to continue building your foundational AI governance strategy.